Welcome to Theme Hunk. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Shop Mania theme, free and pro, activate your license key, and import demo content in minutes. Log into your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Appearance. Click the Add Theme button at the top of the Themes page. In the search box, type Shop Mania. Locate the Shop Mania, click the Install button, and then after installation, click the Activate button. This is how you can install the Shop Mania free theme. To access the premium features and demos, you need to install the Pro theme. Let's install the Shop Mania Pro. Go to Appearance and click on Shop Mania Options. Click on the Get Pro button. You'll be taken to the Shop Mania page. Scroll to the pricing section. Choose a plan and click Buy Now. Fill in your details and complete the payment. Now open the Theme Hunk site and log in to the members area. Download the Shop Mania Pro plugin from here. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. Click Upload Plugin. Upload the Shop Mania Pro zip file you downloaded. Click Install Now, then Activate. After activation, go to Demo Import Sites.
Click on Activate Now, and you'll find it in the top right corner. Click on Find Your License Key. Log in with the members area ID and password. Click on Get License. Copy the key. Come back to the license page. Paste the key and click on Activate. The Pro plugin is activated. You can see the Pro button here. It indicates that the license is activated. The premium templates are also unlocked. Let's see one. Here is the Continue button, which means we can proceed further and install the template. To know the license details, click on the Theme Hunk logo. Click on License. Here are the details about your license. Here you can reset the license key. This is the license key status and here is your domain. This is the validity of the license key. This is how you can activate the Shop Mania Pro license key.
Now come to the demo page.
All the demos are here. You can filter the templates with Page Builder and Category. You will find some demos locked. They are locked because they are premium. You need to upgrade them to install them. You can upgrade the theme from here. Let's install one template. We will be installing the Electromania template. If you want to go back or pick another template, then click on Back, otherwise click on Continue for further. Click on Build My Website. The website is ready. By clicking on Customize, you can customize the site. You can customize every section from header to footer. Let's make a little change. After customization, update the site and go back. Now click on View Website. The website is ready and every section is working well. So this is how you can import the template of the Shop Mania theme. Thanks for watching.